Hello and welcome to a new episode of Ohomia Paghor. This is Gitika Soika going to teach you a very simple fish recipe known as steamed fish in banana leaves, also known as patodia mas in Ohomia. So keep watching. So here is a quick look at the simple 3 ingredients. I'm going to use here around 75 grams of fish. I'm using river fish. You can use any fish, whatever is available in your market. 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. For seasoning, salt, green chilies, mustard oil. The main ingredient is this, which is our mustard paste made out of black and yellow mustard seeds. And we need some banana leaves for steaming. So I'm going to show you how the entire procedure takes place. I'm going to take the ginger garlic paste, going to add it, mustard paste, some salt, should be fine, yes. I love to crush the chilies just like this, so I'm crushing it here, and few drops of mustard oil. Yes, you're not putting too much of mustard because it already has the mustard seeds in it. So I'm going to mix it with my hands now. We have to see that every piece of the fish is properly marinated so that there's no masala left here and there. And now we are getting into the marinade part. Come with me. So we do not add haldi powder here in this fish, because there's too much of flavors already here and we do not want it up. But if you wish to, you can. The original, when my mom used to make, she never used to use any turmeric powder. The fish is mixed properly now. We will let it marinate for say around 10 to 15 minutes before we steam it in a banana leaf. So our fish has been marinating since last 10 minutes. Out here, I would like to share a very important tip. My first tip here goes is that for 1 spoon of black mustard seeds, you need to use 2 spoons of yellow mustard seeds. The reason why, the black mustard seeds are very bitter. And coming to our second tip now, the banana leaf needs to be hit a bit because otherwise it tends to tear it off when you're trying to wrap the fish in it. I'm going to show you how to get it done. I'm going to hit my gas. Ensure that it's not too high on flame. So this is how you do it. Gently you need to do it. See how it's happening? You can see it changing color. Move to the other side. So we're almost done on both sides. You can see it's changing color from dark to light green. And we are done. This is perfect, exactly the way I want it. So I'm going to light a gas. Yes. Heat the tawa. Very important. Keep it on low flame. You do not want to burn the banana leaf, right? So I'm going to put it across in the center. Empty your bowl completely. Yes. First one, second, and third. Here's the last one, the fourth. See, I told you it's not going to tear it because you know why? We had it, right? I'm going to put it now on a tawa. Here goes. Put the dhakkan, important. And now let it cook for another 20 minutes. 10 minutes this side, 10 minutes the other side. So our fish has been nicely sitting on the other side. Time to change it to the other side. So let's flip it. I'm going to use a flat one. Wow, this is exactly the brown color that I was looking for. Now 10 minutes again for this side. The house has been smelling on the fish mustard smell. It's done. I'm going to plate it up now. I'm going to unwrap the banana leaves. This is my favorite moment. Perfect. Yes. I can't have more than this. Add a pickle to it. This is the bhut jolokia. Bhapot diya mas is ready. Isn't it looking yummy? And I can't wait to have it with my fish and plain dal. So if you like today's recipe, I'm sure you must have liked it. Share your comments with us, but do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network.